Team Inkel won the Best Foodie Team Award presented by the Hearth Kitchen in the Southern Soccer Championship held in Cochin recently.
It was really good. Yeah,
So
it
you
was
will
very
come to her.
cheesy and it was really tasty.
Madam, how was the pizza?
It was great.
So you will be coming to our counter in near 1947
Sure.
and tell your friends also. Pizza,
Yes.
how was it?
It was great, yes.
What about pizza?
Pizza was good, game was not good.
Winning and losing is a part of the game, but losing to have a wood-fired authentic Italian pizza is a big loss. All the best.
31 aggressive team, heavy rain, football and hot pizza from Hearth Kitchen was a wonderful combination.
Delicious.
Good. There are many varieties. Come to our place.
Yeah, sure.
And
It's excellent.
thank you. How is it?
Really good.
You feel the crust is different?
Yeah.
Yeah, delicious. Totally
No,
delicious.
no, no. Cheers from this team Gold Rush. Team Gold Rush. Come here, come near.
All of us had a wonderful time.
Pizzas from Hearth Kitchen. It was amazing. Thank you. Really enjoyed, and we look forward for many more associations.
And we also are happy that we met a person called Swarjit. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Energetic, positive guy, and we'll have associations and across South.
Right.
So let good things keep on happening to all of us. Cheers for Cheers for Hearth. And gold
Unlimited.
unlimited. Let things unlimited happen. Good things.